Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Unboxing for tour from August. We order is nearly 175 pounds. We're gonna put the links in the description and tell the price. So this is the model catalog number. If anyone interested, from August. It's called Shark Lift Away, and you can hear my baby in background. She's doing naughty stuff, so it's a bit tricky. That's the top, so that's the front part. It's got a couple of settings. You can use different ways. And that's the back. And this is the last one. So let's get into main machine. So, my baby is more excited than manual, and this is the different parts. So, I'll show you. This is the pipe. That's the small brush or suction part. So, that's the suction pipe. Oh, thank you very much, my little one. So there is the main roller suction part, which one we can use for carpet, and that's the lights, like car headlights. As you can see, you can detach this part. Usually the old Hoover, you can't detach this one. You can detach and use for stairs and other stuff without it. Okay, that's the main part. Basic engine drives the Hoover. And as you can see, this is the tank where the all dusty stuff can store, and you can empty the thing. You can detach. Well, if you want to carry on the stairs, so you can detach this part rather than carry this heavy part together. That's the way it is. So that's the Hoover. Yeah, it's basically very easy. It's not hard to build it. Only when you have to de-attach these things, that's it. So this is the one, turn on and off. When release, there is a button turn on and off. This is the one to release this handle, and you can attach different accessories. For example, you cleaning sofa or any bed or anything like that, small surface, you can use this accessories. And if you want very narrow edges and you need a high suction, that's the part goes. So that just makes, you know, if you need to do the corner and edges, and if you like to use some kind of brush, so this is the one you can use, or without brush. So that's the one goes normally When you do the carpet, it goes like that. And see this blue button, press that and release the handle. So easy to do rather than hold this pipe small area. You can directly attach these thingy, or if you're cleaning a curtain or is in long reach, then you can use a pipe. Otherwise, for this one, it's very handy. So okay, keep the feet on it and pull back with the handle gently, and then you can do, and it's quite lightweight as well. So that's the shape of this Hoover. That's basically it. Later on, the cleaner gonna show you in working condition review, later on, and she's excited to use it. And thank you very much for listening, and if you want to know anything about this Hoover, please leave things in the comments, write in the comments, and I will try to answer as much I can and quickly as possible. Hopefully it's gonna be give a good result. We haven't used this company before. That's the first time we're using it, so we will see how it's gonna go. Once again, thank you very much. If you like this video, please thumbs up, share with the family and friends, and leave the comments below. Anyone who wants to know any information. So have a good day. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.
Hello everyone, welcome back again to our channel. For today's video I am going to make a review on Shark Lift Away vacuum. So we've ordered this vacuum from Argos and it's about £170. Based on my experience, I can honestly say that this has a great value for money. I could also say that it is better than any other leading brands, because we've actually had before famous brand and it was quite very expensive as well, but this one is really different and it does what it says. This one is very easy to assemble and it has great suction. It is also very lightweight and it is very easy to switch the setting from the carpet to hard floor. It is very easy to use and very easy to push because it's lightweight, and because of its longer hose it is perfect to get to hard to reach places and makes it easier to do the stairs as well. Here you can see as well that it is very easy to empty it. It is a lot easier than our old one. Very easy to put it back as well, as you can see. The lights at the front makes it easier to see, especially in dark areas of the house, under the bed, under the table, and the green light indicator also is very helpful because it turns red and lets you know that it's blocked, so you'll know something wrong is going on. Because we've actually experienced it turned red because there was something blocking it, so that's very helpful thing. So here, as we can see, the very best thing about this product is the lift away feature. Using the lift away technology, we can easily convert it from an upright to portable vacuum cleaner. which is very perfect for stairs. As you can see, it is very easy to clean the stairs, and also the above the head cleaning, like cleaning the cobwebs or dusting off the curtains and some other stuffs that are very hard to reach. So this Shark Lift Away vacuum is not really an ordinary compact vacuum. It is actually powerful, lightweight, and versatile. So there you go, guys. Overall, I really love this product, and I've been using this for nearly 2.5 months now, and I love it. That is why I highly recommend this to every one of you. By the way, this video is not sponsored. I am only sharing with you my own experience and my own opinion. So guys, if you're interested about this product, I will definitely leave the link on the description box. Please leave your comments, questions, suggestions, and if possible, if you can, share it with your family and friends, and please subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed and learned something about the product, about this vacuum, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much once again. Have a blessed day, stay happy, and Allah Hafiz.